There were snaking lines outside the school grounds in San Pablo Village in the Orange Walk district as the institution was transformed into a vaccination center today. Hundreds of residents as well as villagers from neighboring San Jose came out to get their jab of the COVID-19 vaccine. There were two queues, one for those coming for a second shot and those who were there for the first time. Following a brief sensitization session for the first-timers, they go through triage and then they are vaccinated before moving to a second room to wait for 15 minutes. It was a smooth transition, and the sentiment of these people is that the vaccine saves lives.
I come out because I know I get sick, and I come out until right now because I'm used to a lot of job, right? But I have to take my time to come out and to make I get safe, not only me and to my family too, right?
It is a part of the ongoing national campaign by the Ministry of Health and Wellness to get as many persons vaccinated so that they receive that additional layer of protection against the deadly virus.
This is what we were hoping for. This is what the ministry has been working on for the last 6 months, educating, encouraging people to come out and get vaccinated. And this crowd out here today shows to me that people are listening, people are getting the message, people realize the importance of being vaccinated. We have over 300 active cases in our country at this time. There's no need for that. We've moved from a level 1 to a level 3. And so we have to continue to warn and to encourage our people to observe the public health measures. Those are critical for us. We have the vaccine on hand. There are countries who do not have access to vaccinations the way we do. And the vaccination guarantees you that it's going to save your life. It's going to keep you out of the hospital. It's going to prevent you from having severe symptoms. And so we want to reopen our economy. We want to get our country back again. This is the way to do it. Come out and get vaccinated.
Vaccination stations were set up at 2 other locations, including the Central Park in Orange Walk Town and at the People's Stadium. Coming out in support of the vaccination exercise were several ministers of government, including Orange Walk North Area Rep. Ramon Cervantes.
The turnout is great, and it demonstrates that the people are taking this COVID-19 matter very, very serious. The people are very serious about safeguarding their lives and the lives of others, of their family members, of their neighbors. And I commend my people of Orange Walk North for being so proactive and taking this step to come and get vaccinated for the sake of health.
The goal is to achieve herd immunity, which is for 70% of the population to be vaccinated. The campaign is outside of the vaccinations happening at health facilities and established vaccination centers across the country. And Ministers Kevin Bernard and Jose Abelardo Mai say that a healthy population means a healthy economy.
The more people are vaccinated in this country, the better the human health and the greater the economic health. It's very important. The sales in poultry has gone up in this country. It's gone up higher than what it was before COVID. Consumption of pork has gone up. Consumption of beef has gone up. It means that the economic wheels are turning slowly. If this is to continue, we must vaccinate ourselves. The signs and symptoms of a speedy recovery is there, but we need to vaccinate ourselves.
All of us must do our part, and we want to encourage everybody, young and old, especially those who can take the vaccine at this time, to come out and do your part, take the vaccine, get vaccinated. The more Belizeans that get vaccinated, the more it will help our economy, the more it will ease up some of the restrictions that we have, but at the same time, it helps to save lives.
Duane Moody for News 5.